Every crash has a story, not just about what happened, but what we can learn. Today's video is more than just wreckage and mistakes. It's about real people, real pain, real second chances, and a reminder that a single second can change everything. Let's dive into 9 powerful motorcycle moments, captured on camera, burned into memory, and full of lessons we can't afford to ignore. Crash 1. A fiancé's final gift. Radoslaw Drzewiecki was just riding to work like any other day, but then a car pulled out at a junction without checking twice and took his life. His fiancée, Magdalena, later released the helmet cam footage, not to shock, but to save. She said, "The pain never left, it only changed. From shock to accepting a life without Radek." In the video, Radek looks both ways carefully. He did everything right, but one careless move from another driver ended it all. Let this be a reminder. Look, again, always. Crash 2. Rear-ended at speed. Rider Timothy Maroney had a camera on his bike when a speeding car slammed into him from behind. He never saw it coming. No sharp turns, no reckless speeding. Just a normal ride. Until a distracted driver turned it into a nightmare. Lesson? Your mirrors won't always save you, but your gear might. Crash 3. 1 second too fast. David Holmes was going fast, maybe too fast, when a car turned into his path. His helmet cam shows the last seconds of his life. A moment of speed, a moment of impact, gone. His family agreed to release the footage. Why? To make you think twice about your speed. He wasn't just a rider, he was a son, a friend, a voice that could have stayed if the road had been just a little slower. Crash 4. The blind curve. Jesse Lopez was rounding a curve in Southern California when suddenly an oncoming fire truck appeared. Boom! He didn't have time to brake, didn't have time to swerve, but Jesse, he survived with broken bones and a second chance. Lesson? Blind curves don't care how good you are, respect them. Crash 5. The front flip of fate. This one feels straight out of a movie, but it's real. A food delivery rider in Argentina collides with a silver hatchback turning left. The impact? Brutal. But somehow the rider while front flips over the car and lands on the asphalt. Alive. Was it luck? Was it reflex? Either way, he walked away, but not without a warning. Intersections are the most dangerous part of your ride. Treat them like war zones. Crash 6. Double trouble in Grover Beach. 2 riders, 1 car. A simple left turn that almost turned deadly. As they rode down Grand Avenue, a white sedan suddenly cut across them. One rider clipped the back. The other smashed into the side. No major injuries, but too close for comfort. Police said, "Let's all slow down, pay attention, be safe." And they're right, because one moment of distraction can create double the pain. Crash 7. Ambition versus ability. The rider admits it himself. "I made a mistake. My ambition outweighed my talent." He panic braked. Too hard, too late. He was lucky the other lane was empty. Confidence on a bike is good. Overconfidence can kill. Crash 8. The sideswipe surprise.
So at this point, I'm just absolutely knocked out on the ground. But don't worry, here comes the passenger of the car to do absolutely nothing.
A peaceful ride turned into chaos when a car pushed a rider onto the sidewalk. He kept his balance, but not his direction. He slammed into a streetlight. The lesson: even if you don't fall, your environment might. Always have an escape plan. Always stay aware of your space. Crash 9. The flying tire. This one's bizarre. A rider was cruising peacefully on the highway. Out of nowhere is a rogue car tire. Flies across lanes, and bam! Hits him straight on. No warning, no time, just randomness. Sometimes it's not your fault. Sometimes it's just the universe. So what do? Gear up, ride smart, and never assume you're invisible. 9 crashes, 9 different stories. But one truth: motorcycling is freedom and risk. And while we can't control everything, we can control how we ride and how we prepare. Rest in peace to those we lost. Strength to those who survived, and awareness to those still riding. This is MotoScope. Real crashes, real lessons. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.